Today is my 7th day of doing my jumping rope exercise. Ayan, so I have my jumping rope here again. And then, syempre nasettle ko na din or nakip ko na sa fridge yung ating drinks na iniinom. So anyway, sa mga nagtatanong po, ano po yung iniinom ko na powder? Ito po yun. So nabili ko lang dito sa Thailand. Yan, ito po siya. Fiber XS. Yun po yung iniinom ko. So, kakauwi ko lang galing ng work and syempre after work, mag-workout tayo, ganyan. To lose weight. And then after this one, after nating mag jumping rope, ngayon is magtitimbang na tayo and titingnan natin kung may changes sa ating weight. Okay? So, let's go! Hi guys! So, tapos ko na yung aking 250 jumping rope. So, kahapon 250 and today is 250. And right now, titingnan natin if may kaibahan ba sa timbang ko sa paggamit ng jumping rope and also pag-inom ng Fiber XS. So, let's go! So anyways guys, yung kinain ko pala is kanina palang afternoon. So nag-rice ako afternoon kasi more on every afternoon lang ako nagra-rice. So hindi pa ako kumain or nag-take ng kung ano-ano ngayon. So let's go now. Check na natin yung timbang natin. Yung timbangan, let's go and check our weight. So yung weight natin ngayon is 61.90. So, from magkano yung timbang natin? Wait lang, i-check ko ngayon sa video. Meron para akong listahan dito kung magkano yung timbang ko last time. Wait. Wait lang, guys. So, meron akong tracker dito. So, sinulat ko to siya nung nag-start ako. So, ito siya. So, this is my tracker, guys. Yung starting weight ko is 63.20. Yung goal weight ko is 55. So, this is my weight loss journey. And yung start weight ko is August 12. Yung target ko is 3 months. Diba? Sa 55 kilos. So, let's go back. Ayan na guys. Total loose weight ko dapat is 8.20 grams in 3 months. So, I could be healthy and more confident. So, yan yung motivation ko. And why? I want to feel healthier, stronger, happier, and product of the habits I'm building. So, ayan guys. Sobrang ganda ng tracker na to guys. If you're interested, I will post it on my YouTube link below or comment down my weight loss journey. Okay? So, ngayon guys, yung ano natin is 61.90 yung kilos natin ngayon. So, mga magkano yung nabawas? Wait lang, i-total ko. So, grabe, malaking tulong na yung mabawasan tayo ng 1 point. Magkano yun? 1 point. Wait, check ulit. Oh my gosh, yung nabawas sa akin is 1.3 kilos. Partida sa 4 days or 5 days na hindi ako nag-jumping rope. Umiinom lang ako ng Fiber XS. So, nag-start ako August 12. And from August 12 up to ngayon, bawasan mo lang ng 5 days. Nagtitake lang ako nun ng Fiber XS guys. And ngayon, bumalik ako nung 3 days ago. Yung start ng pang 5th day ko. So, ayun, sobrang laking tulong. 1.3 kilos na agad nabawas sa akin. So, what more pa if mag 3 months, diba? So, let's go lang. Patuloy lang natin siya. So, meaning, worth it yung pagte-take ko ng Fiber XS, which is nakakatulong sa katawan ko, and also pagja-jumping rope everyday. So, that's it guys. So, see you on my next journey kasi ilalagay ko ulit dito yung nag-weight loss ko for this week. And isa-track na natin ulit for 2 weeks. Sa pang 2 weeks. 7 days na naman na pagja-jumping rope kung magkano na naman yung na-lose weight natin. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye!